Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to contact eBay customer service if you need any help with your account or any issues with your purchases. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay account. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on My eBay at the bottom left and this will open your account. Scroll down until you see Help. It's over here, tap on it. And this will take you to eBay's customer support center where you will find solution to common issues. Here's an option for return an item, refund, and many more. If you want to find the answer quickly, you can type your issue or question in the search bar. It's over here. eBay will display the articles that might solve your problem. When you have selected the issue, like I have an issue of returning an item, tap on it. And here you can find a few options to narrow down your issue, like open your return request, send the item back, or get the refund, and many more. Once you have selected the issue, you will be provided with the ways to contact eBay. However, if you still need to get in touch with the customer service, scroll down and click on Contact Us button. It's over here. Tap on it, and next eBay will guide you through the few options to narrow down your issue. Once you have selected the issue, you will be provided with the ways to contact eBay. Let's try it out. Like I do have problem with my selling, and again you have to choose the topic that you are having problem with. I'm not going to proceed further because I don't have any issues right now and it may provide misinformation to eBay team. However, I will guide you through the process. After selecting the problems you have, you will be provided with the ways to contact eBay, such as a phone, chat, or email. Then choose the option that's most convenient for you, whether they are starting a live chat or speaking with representative over the phone. And that's it. Now you know how to contact eBay customer service for any help you need. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.